Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss convergence of the sequence whose nth terms are given. Here, nth term is given. We have to check whether the given sequence is convergent or divergent or oscillatory sequence. Okay, first example, log n by n. Now take xn equals log n by n, or we can write 1 by n into log n. This is of the form m log n. This can be written as log n power m. This is m log n power m. M is 1 by n. Okay, limit xn as n tends to infinity equals limit log n power 1 by n as n tends to infinity. That is equals limit of n power 1 by n as n tends to infinity is 1. Therefore, this value becomes log 1. Log 1 is 0. Therefore, sequence xn is convergent. Next, square root of n into square root of n plus 2 minus square root of n plus 1. Let xn equals square root of n into square root of n plus 2 minus square root of n plus 1. Or xn equals root n into square root of n plus 2 minus n plus 1. Multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by root n plus 2 plus root n plus 1 into root of n plus 2 plus root of n plus 1. This is of the form a minus b, a plus b, the a square minus b square form. Root n into a square is root of n plus 2 square. Root n square cancel, we have n plus 2 minus root of n plus 1 square is n plus 1, denominator as it is. Okay, n plus 2 minus n minus 1. N minus n cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, remaining terms as it is. Okay, limit n tends to infinity. Root n into, in these terms take root n common. Square root of n common. First term 1 plus 2 by n whole square root. Plus here also take root n common. We have square root of 1 plus 1 by n. Root n. Take root n common and cancel. We have 1 plus square root of 1 plus 2 by n plus square root of 1 plus 1 by n. Here n tends to infinity, this becomes 2 by infinity, this becomes 1 by infinity. 2 by infinity is 0, 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore, 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore, sequence xn is convergent. Next, 1 plus cos n phi. Xn equals 1 plus cos n phi. Sequence xn equals set of 1 plus cos 1 phi, 1 plus cos 2 phi, 1 plus cos 3 phi and so on. Cos pi is minus 1, 1 minus 1. Cos 2 pi value 1, 1 plus 1. Cos 3 pi minus 1, 1 minus 1. Similarly continues. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2 and so on. Here, the given sequence oscillates between 0 and 2. Okay. Fourth example, n plus 1 divided by n whole to the power 3n square by n plus 1. Now consider the given sequence xn equals n plus 1 by n power 3n square divided by n plus 1. Now n plus 1 divided by n whole power n by n whole power 3n square divided by n plus 1. Here we can write n plus 1 by n power n into 3n square divided by n into n plus 1. Okay. Now in this term take n common. In the numerator n common, 1 plus 1 by n we have. Denominator n whole power n. N square by n is 3n by n plus 1. Okay. N cancel. 1 plus 1 by n power n whole power 3n divided by, in these two terms take n common, n into 1 plus 1 by n. N cancel. Limit xn as n tends to infinity equals limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n power n whole power 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by n. We know that limit of 1 plus 1 by n whole power n tends to infinity is e. So, e power 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore, the value is e cube. Hence, sequence xn converges to e cube. Next, fifth example, 2n square plus 3n plus 5 divided by n plus 3 into sine pi by n. Now write the given sequence as xn. Xn equals 2n square plus 3n plus 5 by n plus 3 into sine pi by n. Xn equals 2n square plus 3n plus 5 divided by n plus 3 into sine pi by n divided by 5 by n into 5 by n. Okay. Take n square common. We have 2 plus 3 divided by n plus 5 by n square. Denominator n common, 1 plus 3 by n. Pi by n, sin pi by n divided by 5 by n. Okay. N square cancel. We have limit xn as n tends to infinity equals limit of 2 plus 3 by n plus 5 by n square divided by 1 plus 3 by n into pi into sin pi by n, pi by n. Okay. This value 2 plus 3 by infinity, 5 by infinity, 1 plus 3 by infinity into pi. The value limit, we know that limit sin theta by theta, theta tends to 0 equals 1. Here, suppose limit plus pi by n is theta, n tends to infinity, pi by n tends to 0. Therefore, this value is 1. Okay, 2 plus this value is 0, 0, 1 plus 0 into pi. 2 by 1 is 2, 2 into pi, 2 pi. Therefore, sequence xn converges to 2 pi.